folks, welcome to the Budget Bite Time Frame today. A little bit early. I'm doing the beginning of the episode. You will see the other ones afterwards. But today I'm taking them on a little secret place. We're going to go to the Bird Kingdom. We tried before, it didn't work. Weather's kind of iffy outside, as you can see, folks. But we're going to go to the Bird Kingdom, and we want you to come with us. Because as you can tell, COVID-19 is lifting. Restrictions are going. So we're going to go to the Bird Kingdom and want you guys to come with us. And please stay tuned. To Brock Boulder, if I got that right. We are trying to get a live episode out to do questions and answers. It's a little bit hard, but we are trying. And we will explain why we are kind of a hit and miss, folks, as the time goes by. Maybe today we'll be able to help you out and understand a little bit about why we were having troubles. So, stay tuned, stay budgetful, and be right back. Hey folks, we're back. We're at the Bird Kingdom. So, come with us, enjoy some time, and let's go to the Bird Kingdom.
Phoenix.
Oh wait, I have to go check my car. Like, I have to go out now and make sure I locked it. I can go out the door and then come back in, right?
Hello. 2 adults and 1 2-year-old. Debit? Okay.
Your only chance is to use them because once you exit, there's no guest. Okay?
No problem. Thank you.
You're right. Okay?
Thank you. Come on, Gordon. This way.
This way.
Follow the feet. We don't need to use the bathroom, do you?
Nope.
Well, let's go and find some birds, folks. Folks, and also Budget Buddies will be getting a selfie stick to help us out with better. You want to start down here? First floor, lobby, tickets, mascar, party rooms, restrooms. Okay, let's go to the second floor. Reptiles, encounters.
Because that's for employees only. I used to be employee here.
Take your time.
Well, I got the other.
I know, I'm saying take your time.
These are bigger steps for him.
Follow the birdie feet. So are you surprised I brought you here? So folks, we are going to try to get out more. It's the point of gas and stuff like that. So bear with us as we're probably going to stop talking in a few little bits. Because we're now entering we got to start this way, I guess. I guess so.
There used to be what used to be the music.
Do you need these or no? No. Okay. Okay, Gordon.
But you
Welcome to the Old Niagara Falls Museum. Home of selected works of painting work for
Look at the daredevil. Gordon, look. Look at the daredevil. Look at the sarcophagus. That's Mummy's sleeping chamber.
This is the woman that used to oil her clothes kitty.
Stand there behind the thing. I'll put you guys on the video together.
It's okay, it's not even real.
Okay, you want Daddy over there with you? Gordon, look behind you.
Look beside you.
Look, turn around. What's that? Come on then. We'll keep going if you want. Look at the snake, Gordon. Not real. Gonna get a little dark, but it's fine.
That's a good thing he's wearing light up shoes.
Gordon, did you see that? Did you see the light flash? Oh, is that Gordon? Gordon, look! What's that?
Some more eel.
Gordon, you want to see the eel? Pick him up. Can Mommy pick you up?
Just don't trip on the grass.
Look at the eel. Big eel, eh? Can you say eel?
Probably not yet.
Are you okay still, or do you need to use the loo?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, let's continue. Gordon, this way. Come with Daddy Bear. Over here, buddy.
These are lovebirds.
Look at the lovebirds, Gordon. You can pick them up if you want to. It's from the lovebirds. Look, Gordon. Look, up high. Look at the birdies. Pretty birdies. He wants to keep going. He doesn't want to be picked up. Keep going. Let him
Oh,
go.
he's twisting around.
He did that purposely. Push, Gordon. Look at the turtle. I know. Gordon. Gordon, look over here. Look. Look at the tortoise. Hey, look at the tortoise.
Yes, no.
Gordon. Where is he?
It's in there.
Oh, Gordon, look at the lizard.
That's the bearded dragon.
Gordon, come here. Come see this young lady. She's going to show you the bearded dragon. Gordon, come look. What's that?
They're very friendly, bearded dragons.
Gordon, look at the other turtle. Gordon, look. Gordon, stop. Here. See? Gordon, look. Yeah. Gordon, we slow down though. Okay. Here. Hold the camera just like this. Oh, I'm holding it. Get your hands out of the way.
That's a kookaburra.
Kookaburra sitting on the tree. You are down on the floor so you can run in the tree. Laugh, kookaburra, laugh. Yeah, we're following the wrong footprints here, Tom. I don't know what's everybody's going crooked here. Gordon, what's in that cage? Look. Gordon, look. Yeah, look at the blue jay. Blue jay. Oh, Gordon, look.
You do not like that one? You want a different one? Yeah, you like that one instead?
And what's his name?
This is Dusty. Hey, Dusty.
Here, I'm gonna hold that. You can pet Dusty. We do.
They don't allow you to touch the bird.
Oh, because we do a channel for people with budget buddies, so
Oh,
we're just out walking around with this little one.
Nice.
Gordon, look at Dusty. Can you say hi, Dusty? How old is Dusty?
So Dusty right now is in his 20s, I believe. This species could live up to be 60 years old.
Oh, Are you hungry, Dusty?
I know, you get all the treats, right?
Gordon?
All the treats. Dusty. Do you say see you later?
Oh,
Bob?
good job, Dusty. Here,
Say
Gordon.
hello? No, just see you later. You're just saying goodbye.
Okay, sweetie,
Was
take
that a
Gordon.
nice kiss?
Good job, Dusty. Thank you so much for the interesting fact about Dusty. Gordon, look what's over here.
Dusty usually doesn't say hello. He says see you later.
Warm in here. Slow down, Gordon. Gordon, pull back a little bit if you have to. I know there's a lot of people in here.
Okay, now come this way.
And I do have my phone, so if we have to, I can take pictures with the phone too of you and him. You want a picture, Gordon? Can I put you in a picture first so you get phone? Go stand by the front section. It's Gordon. You'll get phone in a second. Go stand with Mommy, and then you get phone. Gordon, get back by Mommy. Pull him back a little bit. Gordon, look at Daddy. Thank you. Phone after. You'll get it. Trust me. Gotcha. Gordon, look. Oh, Dusty's going back home.
I know, you go back to your perch.
So how many birds are in here?
So in total we have about 27 of these guys. Most of them are on display currently. We rotate them throughout the day.
Yeah. What's the oldest one here?
The oldest one here I believe is turning 38 this year.
Ooh, really? Happy birthday to him. Now, how old is that blue one up there, if you don't mind me asking?
So blue one, I believe, so he's one of the ones we actually don't have his birthday because all these birds are donated to us by previous owners or owners.
Okay.
So sometimes when they come to us, we never find out when their birthday is. We do think that he is about in his teenage years right now.
And what kind is he?
So he's a hyacinth macaw. They live up to be 80 to 100 years old.
Oh, that's really interesting. No,
And that's actually the largest macaw on the planet.
okay. What's on the other side of that door, if I could ask?
Yes, that's actually the next exhibit. That's just kind of an area where the kids can play, and then past there, you guys have 3 more exhibits to visit.
Oh, okay. Okay, Gordon, you want to go into the next exhibit? You want to go up the stairs? Have a good day. Thanks for the interesting information. Push, push, push. Gordon, you want to go through the door, tunnel there with Mommy? Here, take him through the tunnel. Gordon, look at the tunnel. Gordon, go through the tunnel. Here, get him on that side, come through the tunnel. Gordon, come over here. Gordon, other side. Come here. Let him go. Come to me. Come here. Look. Look who's on the other side. Who's that? Come here. Who's that? You want to go see Mommy? Go see Mommy.
I don't think he understands how to go through this.
Show him. Bring him over there with you first.
I'm gonna be stuck.
Come on, Gordon, follow Mommy.
Yeah, and watch Mommy get stuck.
Gordon, come here. Come on, follow Mommy. Come on. You can do it, buddy. Come on through, like Mommy did. You were smart. Okay, good. Here. They got it.
No, you don't want to go up there.
This way. There you go, buddy. You want to sit on the dinosaur? You want to sit on the dinosaur? You want to go through the tunnel? Go ahead.
He needs to crawl.
No, he can go through any way he wants. See what he does. I'm on the other side so I can see if he goes. Is he coming through?
No, you did it a little bit, but not that much.
I saw you. Come on, Gordon.
Let's go.
Look at the dinosaur, Gordon. Ooh. Up the stairs, buddy. Straight up. There we go, buddy. Come on. Up the daisy. All the way up. You do it. Yes. Da-da. Up, up. This way, buddy. Follow the feet. That goal was over with the feet, but hey. To the left. Oh, you okay? Gordon, look at the birdies. Look at all the birdies over here, buddy. Gordon, look over here. Gordon, look. Gordon, look. Look over here.
That's zebra finch. They're over there.
Gordon,
That's what
look.
I'm imitating.
They're up there too. Look up high. Gordon, look. Gordon, Kate, stop talking to the birds and get him to look at the birds. Call him. Like, Gordon, look. The birdie's above my head. Oh, there's one right here, sweetie. Look. Gordon, look, look.
That's the yellow finch that we got here.
Do you see the birdie? Look above. They're flying around. Gotta be careful as we're walking through here. There's got a lot of birdies. I just saw another birdie come at you, Gordon. Gordon, look at the chickadee. Gordon, stop for a second, pull. Gordon, look, look. Look, chickadee. Okay, he's wrapped up a little bit. You take your time on doing them quietly. Woo! They're fighting over nesting with you. Gordon, look, look. Gordon, look up high. Look right here. Pull. Gordon, look up high. Look up high. Woo! See? Came from them. Okay, you want to get going again? That's fine. Push, 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 push. Come on, buddy.
This is the nocturnal area.
This way, buddy. Come and say. Gotta wait our turn, okay? Because we're walking through.
Garden sugar glider.
Look. Gordon.
Some sugar gliders are marsupials. Yeah, they're right there eating their fruit.
Gotta wait our turn, buddy.
These are poison arrow frogs.
Hey, Gordon, look at the froggy. Gordon, come back this way. Look at the froggy. Pick him up. Show him the froggy. Say, look, the froggy.
You
Look.
can't touch. Well, you can touch the glass, but you can't touch the froggy.
Froggy. Woo! Gordon, slow down. Gordon, look. What is that? What is in here?
There's a look down if you dare type idea thing.
Well, folks, we're going to take a look down if we dare. You want to take a look, Gordon? Come here. Pick him up.
Step up. Look down.
What do you see? There's an owl down there. Okay, look. There's the owl. Gordon, look. Owl. Can we say?
Not like Hootie.
Can we say owl? He's right there. He's sleeping. Yeah. Boop. Ah. What's in here, Gordon? You want? Gordon, look at here. What's in here? This is a pixie frog. Maybe it'll give you a wish. Do you think this pixie frog can give you a wish? You want to look at the pixie frog? Okay.
He's in there somewhere.
He's hiding.
Because Pixie means small, so he's very tiny.
As we're walking through, folks, you notice that we are not wearing our mask anymore. We do support if you do wish to wear them, and we also support if you choose not to. However, we're the type of people that do not want to wear them. So, Gordon, look. Wait, our turn.
He's in there, but he's probably swimming around. He's gotta wait. Oh, I know where he is. You have to slow it.
Do you see him, Gordon?
He's right there. See that white thing? This is what inspired DreamWorks to make Toothless.
Eh? Gordon, look. Look here. Spiders?
Yeah.
We can keep moving on. Come on, Gordon. Move that way. Across. This way, Gordon. Oh, you want up? He's right here. They're right there.
See that big huge thing moving about? Those are the fruit bats.
Yeah, he wants to touch it. You see? Gordon, that's the fruit bat. Yeah, that's the fruit bat. Touch it again. Nope, you want down? Okay. There we go.
Oh, you pick them up for
We don't. No, we're done. This is the last exhibit.
No, there's more.
Well, let's go down this way. We'll find out. Okay? If we have to, I will. Okay? Come on, buddy. Gordon, look. He's in there sleeping. This way, Gordon. Gordon, look at the waterfall. Gordon, look at the flamingo.
Actually, that's a red whale.
That one, yeah, but there's other ones down here too. Because all this stuff is now where you don't got to pick him up, he's going to be able to see it come right at his face. Come down here, buddy. Gordon, look. Gordon. Look right there, in the tree. I see it. Keep the poop up there, guys. Okay, hold this. Come here, Gordon. Hang on. Look. You want to feel? Or you want down? Gordon, Gordon, stop. Look. Look way up high.
There's a blue one, big blue one up there.
And look, there one's in the tree inside the cave.
Those are the macaws that we saw before.
Yep. Woo! That was a loud big one.
Gordon, look, cockatoo.
Gordon, come here. Come here. Look, no phone.
Gordon, look, cockatoo. Right over there.
Hey, Gordon, let's go down. I got it. Over here.
Over there by the lorikeets, you can feed the lorikeets, you can pet the lorikeets.
We're not going there. Gordon, we're going to go this way. Gordon, this way.
The other way.
To the left. We gotta watch out for low flying trees and birds. To the left. Gotta wait our turn, buddy. Gotta wait our turn. Gotta slow
Look
you.
at the bird in there. You can't see it, but it's in there.
There's a pheasant. Gordon, look. Up, baby, look. Look at the birdie. Hey, Kristen. No, run it. This is what it is. You don't run it. And go out the back side.
They have to.
Give a big picture. Watch it, come back over here. It's not gonna come. Look.
These are wood ducks.
Gordon, look. Gordon, look.
These are wood ducks.
We're going that way.
Little white bird over here. Go get a good picture over here. See it. Look at over there. That's a white bird.
Look at the birdie right there, brother. And look at them all. Pretty birdie. Keep over.
Gordon, come.
Come on. Now keep moving, buddy. Now birdie. Birdie.
Brown birdie. It's okay.
Video.
I am.
That was cool. That's one of the lifetime things. Jordan, slow your roll. Gordon, look.
Look at that pretty bird.
Gordon, look here. Gordon, look. Look at the big birdie, Gordon. Look over here. Gordon, look. Over here.
Look
Look.
at these two. Excuse me.
Gordon, this way. Push. Good boy. Oh, push. Good boy. Gordon.
And now we're at the gift shop. It's up here. It's like sweetie, but not quite.
Gordon. I'm going to take that. You take him. Thank you. Gordon, this way. This way. Follow Daddy Bear, please. Come on, buddy. We're going home.
Well, we have to buy tickets here.
Thank you to your own. Gordon, this way. So we hope you enjoyed the Bird Kingdom with us there, folks. Come on, Gordon. Gordon, this way, come. So, folks, we're going to wrap it up here as we're going to the car. To Budget Wise,
Budget conscience,
Budget Smart,
budget healthy.
and we're going to say to you that we will be coming out here more and more, folks. So if you see us, give us a hi, give us a ho, give us a hey. We will put you on Budget Buddies. And always budget conscience, folks, because we're going to be out there for you. Thank you, and bye-bye.